Well, it's snowing up here at Yankee Lake again. And it's pretty deep out there, from what I can tell.
Daddy, what? There's a light over there.
Yeah, that's the neighbor's light.
What's so beautiful?
Yeah.
And Daddy,
Yeah.
why don't they have the light on?
Well, they're probably looking outside at the snow like us, Roman.
And Daddy,
This is gonna stink because I didn't get garlic in the ground yet. Better melt by Wednesday.
Why is it so deep out there?
Because it's continuing to precipitate.
Oh, I want this open so I could see if there's air going bad down.
No, it's too cold out there to open that right now. Got a fire going, and that's pretty much all I'm going to be doing for the day. I was up late last night, probably, stoking the fire, which worked out really well. The power did come on again at 1 o'clock, but we had more than, let's say, 2 feet at one point, but up here it's not that much. Trail when I was going to get firewood. I left the wire here for the generator until just in case the power went out again. But I can clean those up probably. I don't know if I have to. They have a snowblower here. I don't know. Maybe I should try it out to make sure it works. But I don't think it's really gonna. I think it's gonna melt before the day's out. Although the car needs to be cleaned off. It's already in there. Well, it didn't snow much in there because of the tree cover. I might have to get the end of the road with the snowblower. This over here is pretty cool. I don't have any damage, it doesn't look like. All my trees are still up. That looks pretty. Deer footprint over here. Around here this morning. Looking pretty good. Dark. Probably from all the snow cleaning the trees off. Well, it's looking good. I don't see any damage. At least there's no real water except for this persistent little stream over here. Deer, cat, what is that? Dog or something. That's a deer. Baby deer. Should have no snowmobilers running around back here. Doesn't look like it. I want to go all the way back. I don't see any track stuff. Don't see anything. Got all my trees and stuff, so look good. Oh, that's all good. Pretty deep. Maybe this is why I thought it was, like up to 2 feet, because maybe there's a little drift here. crazy deep. I guess I could go out and get a shot on the street for now. Good to me. Just slid right down this into the water. That'd be great. I don't know if I need to. I probably should break the snowblower out to clean the paths here, but I don't know if I need to do the driveway. It's probably gonna melt.